So guys, before starting this video, if you think that you want to share your earning and your problem with me, just give me 2 screenshots in my Telegram channel. First one is very easy, which is your earning screenshot, and just copy it and just paste in the Telegram channel. Also, I need the traffic quality of your blog, like where actually you are getting traffic, and is that good or bad. You know what, if you get traffic from bad website, your earning will not very good. So that's why just share me last 30 days traffic source with me, so that I can understand actually what's going on with your channel. I hope you got my point. So just share any of this screenshot, like your traffic source. Like, see, my traffic source is very simple. YouTube and Google, everywhere I am getting traffic very easily. I need that statistics from you, so that I can analyze your earning, like why it is not increasing, or if you have any issue. So guys, just do this in my channel. I will try to advise you by analyzing your health status. After that, I can make a video also if you wish, or I can share you by message. That's it. So let's go to my video topic today. Today I am going to show you double impression script. By using this script, okay, in a website you just click like button, subscribe button, get points, then immediately you will get traffic in your site. That's actually very simple way to get traffic in your site. So I have shared you YouTube method also, but if you have confusion, just aside it. I will share this in another video. Okay, now what actually I am going to show you today is very simple. First, you have to go your Adsterra account, okay, then copy a banner code 728 into 90. This code is very good and it's a very nice format, so just copy it. And after copy that, you have to do a simple thing: paste it multiple times in your blog. Just do what actually I am doing, that's it. So after pasting this multiple time, you need that double impression script that actually will increase your earning. So just copy that, copy this script from here and paste it in here. That's it. And now just change the time. If 5000 it's okay, but 10,000 it's standard. After this, give a title of your blog. You can give a title of your blog, then publish it. You need to do that thing fast. Very simple. Make a blog with double impression script. You have to do this. It is a first step of your this method. After that, when you complete this step, after that I will show you another method, like where you can get traffic. So let's check this website is working very fine or not. So to check this, I just view this website and it just open and everything is okay. That's it. That means it's working fine. Now what actually we are going to do is very simple. Okay, it's working. Now what we are going to do is, see, automatically loading your impression. That's it actually. This is my goal. Now go to You Like It website, okay, and sign up in here or sign in here and click on website hits and add your link in here. So you have to add your link in here and just see this link, okay, and add website button. And this is actually a magic. Like, see, every time if anyone see your blog, it will auto refresh multiple times. That means you will get unlimited impression. Like if you have 40-second or 15-20-second guess, you will get double impression. Like 10 seconds after, the website will reload automatically, and the ad impression will twice, like double. If you give 5,000, or that means 5 seconds, your impression will be load in 20 seconds 4 times. That means double impression, triple, and that's it. Also, you have to give the points, like how much you want to expand. I am giving 10 points for each visit I will get. That's it. Now I need to earn points. So for earning points, you can do like YouTube video, comment YouTube video, visit others person website. Even you can like Facebook channel, Facebook page. That's it. You can do this and get points. See, you got 8 points, it's showing. After getting points, when it's you will earning points like 100, 200, 30, 300, you will see a massive number of traffic will go to your website, and it's very real. It's not a bot. Like if you are seeing others person website, they will also see your website. Then this is actually the secret in I'm going to share you with. Now what actually doing here, I'm just liking this video, okay. After liking this video, I just closed that, okay. After liking this video, just close that and confirm like. See, I just confirm like. I just instantly got 33 points. See, in my dashboard it's ready. And now as you can see, it's actually a valid method to earning points by liking video and exchange those points into traffic. Now the magic I am going to show you, that I just work here only for 4 to 5 minutes and my blog is very new, and see how much traffic I just gain by using this method, okay. So let's check. Okay, I already earned so many points in here. It's also already working. I think my website hits is started. Like see, 4 click already sent to my website. That means if I go to my website and check, I will see the result. Okay, let's check how much I just got. So see, it's 0 view. Like in here it's 0. I just refresh it, 35 views. Instantly I just got 35 views. That's it. So guys, you can easily use this method to earn from Adsterra. Just use this method, you can earn this very easily. And see, the statistics is showing is actually working, and my every earning is valid. If you have confusion, I hope you revise this video again and check if anything you are missing, and do this and you will get the result immediately. That's it guys. Use double impression script and use you like hits and earn from Adsterra. I hope your earning will start. And please don't do this for 1 hour and tell me it's not working, you're not earning. It's not a 1 hour work. You take time, 4 hours at least. Give time, 4 to 5 hours. Okay, you will see the difference. At least give 4 to 5 hours, then tell. You will
I
see
know
the
if
difference.
you are old in this area, don't worry. I am giving you some technique in here. Don't skip this video. If you have set up the ad, that's okay, but you must know how properly set up the ad in your blogspot. So this video is covering everything, like how you can set up the blog properly in the theme section. So I hope you got my point. So in theme section, you need to add minimum 3 quote. Those 3 quote is very important. So at first you go Adsterra and monetize your website first with a pop under quote. I hope you get this. You need just 5 minutes or 3 minutes to do that. After getting the quote, click on get quote. Okay, then copy it. Then go to your Blogger account, in theme setting and in edit HTML section, paste the code under head code. Okay, I hope you got it. Now again you need to make a social bar. This is very important. Create this, and in a minute you will get the social bar code also. You must paste this code in the Blogger theme section, in the head section. I hope you got this. So 2 code must put in here, otherwise your earning will very slow. After that you need to get another code, which is native code, native banner. Okay, just create this. Within a minute your code will be ready. So as you can see, native banner code is also ready. After that, just copy this, and in the theme section you must do this. Okay, at the very end section of body, just you can drag and drop here. Okay, in the body section just paste it. Okay, this area done. Your everything is now done. Just save this theme and review your blog is perfectly working or not. If this method is working for you, that means you are 50% work done. See, ad is showing and native banner code and social code, everything is working fine. Now what actually we